Well, here it is, guys, the big reveal. The truck I have been looking for a long time, and what's been holding me back forever is we live up north and most of these trucks are rusted out everywhere, and they're also miled out. So this truck we found in a barn a few miles north of the city where we live, and it was not in this good a shape when I got it a month ago, but I've been working on it slowly, and so I've added 2 inches with the leveling kit. I added the BFGs 31 10 5 15s. Also I found the rims off of an 86 square body that had been stored away, and we cleaned them up, and I have a video that shows that cleaning of those rims and polishing. But this truck is amazing. So the 2 things that it really needs are a hood. As you can see, something was slammed in the hood here. So either I get a cowl hood or I just go pick up a hood from a wrecker and get it painted to match. And the other thing is a tailgate, which is kind of beat up. Box is in pretty good shape. Oh, and I also put on a Flowmaster 40 series exhaust, dual exhaust system with chrome tips out the back. And other than that, this truck is something else. And the best part is, it only has, when I picked it up, it had 90,400 kilometers on it. And for a 27-year-old truck, that is unbelievable. I'll just show you the inside here. It is immaculate. We did do a detail on it. But it's got the classic red buckets in mint condition. Now has 91,430, so we put 1,000 on it since I got it a month ago. All the door panels are perfect. The only thing inside that needs to be dealt with is the liner is starting to fall. Not sure if you can see that or not, but I'll have to take that out and get it glued back up again. But this is the classic 5.7 V8, and I think it looks really good. I would really appreciate you guys. Now's the time to throw some accessories on this. I'm not sure what, but if you guys want to throw your opinions in the comments below, that would be awesome. Just to dress this thing up a bit. I'm not going to lift it any higher because I don't want to be too obnoxious with this thing. It's already with that new muffler system on it. I'll start it up here so you can hear it. So it already sounds really, really good. Not too obnoxious. But anyhow, this is the new, I guess you'd call it a barn find. It's been sitting for 15 years, 12 to 15 years. I'm not sure the complete story on it. It's got a couple blemishes on it. There's one right here that maybe I deal with or maybe I don't. And there's one more right on the front quarter with a couple scratches. Scratch, scratch, a little bit of a ding there. but it's all original paint. It's all original completely, other than the tires now. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think I should do to this thing to dress it up a little bit. Maybe tinted windows, maybe some box rails, maybe a box liner. Yeah, let me know. And this is a little different video than we normally do. Normally we're doing DIY stuff, but hopefully there's a lot more videos that come with this video of doing some work on the engine, changing out plugs, wires, dressing it up a little bit. This is a great vehicle, provided I can keep it maintained and looking good. It's a great vehicle to pass down to one of my kids. So I think this is gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know what you think in the comments below. And we'll see you next time. Peace.